Wow, look, that's me too. Oh, that's just the camera. Sit down. I want to say something to guys. I want to say it. I want to see it too. Oh, say it. Okay, I want to say it. Yay, yay. Okay, let us sit down. Guys, please just hit me 1 million subscribers because I don't have a play button. Please just subscribe me, please. I want to have a play button and YouTube Premium. Oh, snowflakes! I got at you. Please help me. Please. I got you. Thank you for saving me. You're welcome. Just hit me 1 million subscribers, please. Please, guys, I want it. Oops, I want it, please. I'm gonna cry now. Please subscribe me and like me and share it to your friends and your family or your best friends and I think your best friends and your moms and your dad, like the families, like you always do. So subscribe. I wanna go. Please behave. I don't wanna hurt this anymore. Fine. Oh, hey, snowflakes. Oh, hey, Bobby. It's nice to meet you. Oh, my sweetheart. I'm gonna just sit there in the couch. Wait for a second. I'm gonna just sit down. I'm gonna see what you're doing. Oh, hey, Barbie. Oh, hi, Elsa. Hi, Anna. Just sit there. I'm gonna sit here. Oh, me. It's okay. Just sit. No, it's okay. It's okay, Barbie. Fine. No, it's okay. I'm gonna sit here with Snowflake because she's so cute. Oh, hi, Snowflake. How are you doing? Aw, she's so cute. I'm gonna sit down. I'm gonna sit down with the pink. I'm gonna sit down with the snowflakes. Oops. Color doesn't matter. Yes, but this is my favorite color. Anna, you say it. Color doesn't. Oh! Wait! Please help! Help! Got it! Snowflake, are you okay? Yes, I'm okay. Snowflake, it's okay. Whew, done. Snowflake, it's okay, right? Yay! It's so much fun to hire. Oh, snowflakes. I'm going to talk with her. Oops! She's so cute. I'm gonna just squish. I'm gonna squish her because she's so cute. Oh, bother. Oh, bother. Help! Anna! Wait! I got you. Thank you, Elsa. You're welcome. I'm gonna sit. Color doesn't matter. Okay, I'm gonna push Barbie a little bit. Barbie, you can just sit in right here. Oh, wow, it's a nice place. It will just just be quiet. And guys are seeing me, right? Oh, I'm not Snowflake because she's a little young. That's why she's not saying. Okay, you sit here. Okay, and that's you sit. And that's a nice thing. That's a nice thing, right? Oh, my hair. Whoops. 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 Okay, and sit. I'm the tallest. Oh, come on. I want to be a tallest. At least. At least. Oh, let's give a lotion. Wow. Ah, so relaxing. Oh, look at my face. It's so relaxing. Hi, Bobby. I want to talk with you. Me too. But there's no space. Oh, then I want to go and have. Oh, who Elsa? Oh, thank you, Anna. You got me. You just almost fell. You are my best sister. Oh, thank you, Elsa. Okay. Hi, Bobby. And let's go somewhere else. Oh, hi, Elsa. Snowflake, can you come with me? I have a surprise. But, come on. Oh, oh come on. Phew. Here we go. Just sit here. I'm going to pick Snowflake first. Then, okay, go. Yay. Why are you saying you're like a baby? Doesn't sound like it. Oh, fine. Let's go. Oops. Let's go walk. Okay. Okay. Wait, I'm gonna just bring the sofa. Yes, you can wait. I'm gonna bring the sofa for me. 'Cause I'm too old. Here you go. Here's the sofa. Then I'm gonna sit down. Wait. I'm gonna sit down. Wait, my hair. Look at me like this. Hello. And they look same. Okay, I had a secret. I had a secret. I had a secret. What secret? What secret? I had a secret is tomorrow we will buy a Christmas tree because Christmas is in day after tomorrow. Day after tomorrow? I can't wait to see gifts. Yes. Can we come in? Sure you can. What is the password for Christmas? I think, do you want to build a snowman? No password. That's 5 password. Now it's 4. We wish you a Merry Christmas. No, password wrong. 2 password. Jingle bell, jingle all the way. Come on! Yay! What are you talking about? Some secrets. What secrets? Tell us. Tell us. Tell us. I will tell you the secret, but if you'll not say to your moms, like your mom and Barbie and Jack and Kristoff, right? Yes, that's a secret for us. And you, that's right. Tomorrow we'll buy a Christmas tree and surprise your mommy and your Barbie and your daddies for a Christmas tree. They don't actually know. Wow, that will be so amazing. We'll go in Dollarama, right? Yes, we'll go in Dollarama. Guys, what country we live in? No, 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 no. We live in Saskatoon. You're wrong. Then I will not tell the secret. There's another secret I will not tell you. Because you don't say it. Okay. Oh, wow. That is epic. And just push it up in this. Just sit down. So we'll buy a Christmas tree. What are you talking about? Christmas tree? No, we're just talking about the jingle bells. Like we are just singing. Oh, okay. I'm gonna join you. Sure, mommy, sit here. Okay. So, what should we talk about? I don't know. Me too. Let's go. Let's go somewhere that should be fun. Let's go in a boat. What do you say? Boat? Like a cruise? Not boat. Like a boat for sailing? Yes! Yay! Yay! Wow, let's get ready. Let's get ready. I'm ready. I'm gonna wear a jacket because it's cold. It's -33. Oh, this cold never bothered me anyway. Oh, yes, I know it. I know it. Just wear a jacket. This one. Wait. Just this one. And this one. Oops, his fault. This one. Okay, and just like this, and this. Look at these. I'm wearing a jacket. Wow, 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 wow. Snowflake just could never bother me anyway. And mommy, you could never bother me anyway. No, I'm just wearing a jacket anyways. Oh, then let's go. Yay! The cruise! The cruise! Whoops! Oh, come on, snowflakes. I'm holding your hand. Wait, I'm coming. Yes. Wow! It's amazing, Mommy! Wow, Anya, the say wow all the time. That's also like a rainbow walls. Can you see the color of guys? Because there is 1 hour to be in the boat. Sure. That is blue, my favorite color. And green, oops, is boat shaped. And yellow, like, and lemon and bananas. Oops. And green, apple, and spinach. I mean, cabbage, and chilies. And blue, ice, and water. Red apple and red chili. And brown. Oh, oops! Oh, Mommy, you're falling almost. Woo! And brown like, dark green like, and a frog. And all done. And brown like an stem, like an apple stem, like these. Let's go in the boat. Yay, let's go. Anya, why not here? I'm here. Wait for me. Oh wow, I love going in a boat. It's so much fun. I'm gonna sit here. Let's go. Woo! Whoa! Woo! Whoa! Oh, why is the boat just doing that? What are these? Wait! Wait for a moment! Oops. Whoa! It's just a little bit high. Whoa! Whoa! It's so much speed in the winter. Ooh, the Christmas day is so cold. It's so cold. It's so cold for me. Me too. I'm not. Ooh. 6 hours later. Oh, we are eating dinner. Exactly. Yummy. Oh, Mom! Oh, Elsa? Wait. Elsa! Oh, my daughter. I miss you so much. Oh, I'm gonna sit with you. Oh, hi. Oh, hi. Oh, hi. I'm in. Oh, hi, Aduna. Queen Aduna aunt. Oh, hi, sweetie. What's your name again? My name is Elsia. And my name is Anya. My name is Snowflake. Oh, Elsa had another baby snowflakes? Yes, long time ago. 1 year and 4 years ago. Oh, so cute. So cute. She's so cute, actually. I just wanted to have some dinner. Yum. 10 minutes later. We actually done. Oh, bye-bye. Bye-bye, sweetheart. Bye-bye, Mom. Oh, sorry, Elsa. Bye, everyone. everyone. It's time for bed, girls. It's 8 o'clock. Fine. Sleep here. Me too. Let's open the jacket off. Let's put it right here. I'm gonna just have some perfume. Oopsies. Mommy, Mommy, Auntie, please come. Please come. Mommy, Auntie, please come. Oh, you saved us. Thank you, Elsia. Thank you, Anya. You're welcome. I'm just scared about you. I won't do it again. Exactly. I will just open it. Ew. I'll see you tried it. Okay. Done. I think that's enough. I'm gonna sleep. Good night, Mommy. Good night. I'm gonna just braid my hair a little. Okay, I'm gonna just magic it and it will braid. Bibbity bobbity boo. That's gonna work. Bibbity bobbity boo. Wow, that's amazing. I think I should do another hair. Yes, sure. Bibbity bobbity, another hair. Wow, that's amazing one. I wanna do it too. I think we should just have another band. Yeah, sure. I'm gonna go get it. Here, I brought it. Okay. Bibbity, bobbity, another hair. Bibbity, bobbity, and style here. Wow, it looks. Oh, almost got you. Look at my hair. It's pretty. So bye, guys. We need to sleep. Sleep. Bye.